way to Vancouver today with the people in my How to Hit on Women video, if you remember them. Remember Austin? He's the guy that got 2 women in Vegas. Woo! Woo!
Hey, I'm driving here.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Remember Manda? He's the one that hits on women with his dance moves. So we're gonna try that in Vancouver. That's our whole plan. We're gonna see if it works, because it works on American women. We're gonna see if it works on Canadian women. So we'll take you on that adventure.
Asians. It fucking scared me too. Out of nowhere.
Got our dim sum. There's a hot cow, a squid, nothing now.
Right.
Chicken feet. This guy. Okay, out of all of us, who do you think hasn't had dim sum? Me? This Chinese-looking guy, or him?
Me.
Just guess. Just who do you think has never tried dim sum before? Thank you. Who do you think?
And chicken feet.
And chicken feet. Yeah. Here's the man who lost his dim sum virginity. How was it, man?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Is the dim sum good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, that shomai was pretty big, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I know. Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Here's the dim sum slut right here coming through. Look at this. That slut.
Open until October 12th.
Hey, don't you want to be in it?
What?
Anish!
Oh man,
yeah, you're in my
Why
YouTube
don't
video.
you laugh?
Adung, papa, it's okay. It's like, say, she's my friend from high school, middle school? High school. Yeah, it's Anisha.
I look better usually, I
she
swear.
looks better. Yeah, she looks better in pictures because she photoshops it and whatnot. She hires people, you know. 1,
Go.
2, 1, 2. So similar. What happened?
Where's my song?
You dumbass bitch. Why did you
Get off my face, man.
turn off that shit?
Wait, what do you want to listen? Changing.
Huh? We're currently at the Stanley Park Aquarium.
This is what we do. Chillin' and rolling up with my crew. Stay fresh to pass through. Cause you know what, man, this is how we do.
It's the ugliest looking fish I've ever seen.
I know.
Look at that. Endangered Mongolian. Ooh, he's fascinated by leaves. Look at that.
Look at as he watches. The frogs around him.
As he hunts. Oh, they're angry at me.
They probably saw you blinking my
I know. Oh shit! It's like attacking me. So we just had ramen at this place called Kintaro Ramen, and it was really good. They had a ladle for a spoon. How was the ramen?
That food was so weird.
It was good. I know, yeah,
Pretty.
but it was good. It was good. It was rich. We got the rich soup, fatty pork, extra egg. It was a big bowl. It was decent
Taylor
for breakfast.
likes his ramen like he likes his women.
Yeah, rich and fat. My favorite kind of women. She likes her
Coffee like a
coffee like a man,
Tall.
cold and black.
No, it's not. Bitch, gosh.